Is your 2013 Ford Explorer key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a need to resync with the car's system. First, replace the CR2032 battery inside the fob. These batteries last 2 to 4 years on average. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the fob might need to be relearned or reprogrammed. Less frequently, the car's receiver module could be the issue, but start with the simple fixes first. Newer lithium-ion batteries are available, offering extended life. If a new battery doesn't resolve the key fob issue, try the relearn procedure to sync the fob with your vehicle. If the relearn procedure fails, the problem may be with the car's receiver module. This often requires a professional diagnostic scan using an OBD2 tool to check for error codes. Module replacement typically costs between $200 and $500. Some extended warranties may cover this repair. While DIY tutorials are available, professional reprogramming is recommended to avoid voiding warranties or causing lockouts.